So we're here at Rossenberger North America in Pennsauken, New Jersey, checking up on Rick and the air end job that he's doing in this variable speed drive compressor. Only 3 years old and the air end failed in this thing. Shouldn't happen. It's kind of the norm now with a lot of these compressor manufacturers. The quality of the machine is not what they used to be. They don't hold up the same way. Nonetheless, this compressor was under warranty, and believe it or not, the manufacturer denied the approval of a new air end in this. So we're here helping the customer out, getting them back up and going. Matter of fact, the manufacturer quoted this specific customer a price for repairs that was over the price of what the machine cost 3 years ago. So the customer wasn't happy with that, and they also weren't happy of the fact that the manufacturer tried to play a little dirty and say, well, if you leave compressed air equipment, we'll help you out on the cost of the repairs. So it doesn't show really good or sound good for a manufacturer to be playing that way, and the customer wasn't having it. So we've been servicing this account for a really long time, and they trust compressed air equipment to service their needs of their air system. So needless to say, we're still here, we're still doing the work, and we're going to see this thing fire up here pretty soon as Rick gets a couple more bolts tightened up in this unit. We'll get it back online.